Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. PyTorch Lightning Bolts is a lightweight library built on top of PyTorch Lightning, providing a collection of pre-built models, callbacks, and utility functions to accelerate the development of deep learning applications. PyTorch Lightning Bolts aims to simplify the process of building, training, and deploying neural networks by offering modular components that can be easily integrated into your projects. In this tutorial, we'll explore some key features of PyTorch Lightning Bolts and demonstrate how to use it with a simple code example. First, make sure you have PyTorch and PyTorch Lightning installed. You can install PyTorch Lightning Bolts by running the following command. Let's create a basic example using PyTorch Lightning Bolts. We'll use the SAFAR 10 dataset and a pre-built Lightning Bolt model. In this example, we've created a simple autoencoder model using the simple autoencoder provided by PyTorch Lightning Bolts. We also defined a Lightning module, myAutoencoder, that wraps the autoencoder model. One of the powerful features of PyTorch Lightning Bolts is the ability to use callbacks to customize the training process. Let's add a callback to track the reconstruction loss during training. In this example, we added a reconstruction loss callback that logs the reconstruction loss after each training batch. We also included a model checkpoint callback to save the best model based on validation loss. PyTorch Lightning Bolts offers a convenient set of tools for building and training deep learning models. This tutorial provided a brief introduction and showcased a simple example using a pre-built autoencoder model. Explore the documentation for more advanced features and models available in PyTorch Lightning Bolts. PyTorch Lightning Bolts documentation. Feel free to experiment with different models, datasets, and callbacks to tailor the framework to your specific needs. ChatGPT.